I have Kudzi here with me today, and she's going to show us how to make
some gorgeous mini blueberry and white chocolate cheesecake. They're no bake, they're easy to make, and they taste really good.
So what are we going to use to make the cheesecakes in today?
Today we're going to be using the silicone muffin pan.
If you didn't have a silicone muffin pan, could you use a regular one?
Yeah, just line them with a paper case. Now we're going to spray the muffin pan with oil.
And that just stops them from sticking when you want to push them out.
So now we're going to process the biscuits into fine crumbs. Add the butter.
And we process that again?
Yes.
So that's going to be the base of the cheesecakes?
Yes. So we're going to press them down at the bottom of our silicone pans. So now let's pop them in the fridge.
For the filling, we've got all our ingredients at room temperature. Why do we do this?
Well, we do this because it helps avoid lumps and gives a silky smooth cheesecake.
Now we've got some boiling water and some gelatin. Can you mix them together?
We're giving it a good mix to dissolve the gelatin. Now we're just going to set it aside for 5 minutes to cool down. For the filling, we're going to put in some cream cheese. Beat it until it's nice and smooth. So now we're going to add the cooled gelatin and whip it again. Add the condensed milk, and now the cream. For our final ingredient, we're going to add the melted white chocolate.
What about the blueberries?
Well, we're going to stir in half of the blueberries, leaving the rest to decorate. Now it's time to spoon the mixture over the bases.
You just want to make sure that they're all even in size. Maybe add a little bit to that one. Smooth the tops a little bit. So I like to just give it a little bit of a tap, and that helps smooth the tops.
Now we're going to top these with the rest of the blueberries and pop them in the fridge.
Could you use another fruit?
Yeah, you can use different berries.
Okay, let's pop them in the fridge to set. Oh, Kudzi, these look so good.
Now it's time to put them out. Just gently push them up.
I see you've got some white chocolate here. What are you going to do with that?
Well, I'm going to shave the white chocolate like this.
And that's just a vegetable peeler and you get little curls.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
And now what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle on top of the cheesecake.
Lovely.
Thank you.
These look so good, Kudzi. What do they taste like?
They taste delicious. For more Cole's Little Chef recipes, head to our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.